Have you ever felt like you couldn't draw perfectly? Or you've been trying to figure out how artists draw smoothly with pen? In this video, I will be telling you the mistakes you are making and the secret to drawing MrBeast or any other picture with a pen. Yes, with a pen. So basically, all you will need is your ballpoint pen, a pencil, an eraser, your cutting board for blending, and a ruler. This will all come in handy as you progress with the drawing. With this in mind, let's jump straight into the drawing. Step 1. The outlines. I would suggest you use a grid maker app for accuracy and precision, as bad outlines equals terrible drawing. You may even get discouraged halfway into the drawing and end up dumping that piece of work. When you are done drawing the grid, the next step is to begin your outlines. Note that your outlines must be thin, as you are not drawing details but just the frame. I would advise you use the pencil first in order to avoid mistakes. Gradually build up your outlines bit by bit from your reference photo. In my case, it's MrBeast. Before we continue, take a moment to subscribe to my YouTube channel, as I will be dropping more of such contents. After I'm done with the outlines, I like to start my drawing from the eyes, cause it's the part I'm more comfortable with drawing first. All you have to do is simply copy exactly what you see in the reference photo and just draw it down. It's that simple. As you draw, take note of the light and dark areas. These are the highlights. You can also use a cutting board to blend in your shadings. This will help you draw faster and also neater. The next part I'll be talking about is your shading. This is one of the most crucial parts of any drawing. Learn how to shade perfectly, and your drawings will almost always come out perfect. In drawing, there are two basic important types of shading. We have the hatching and the cross hatching. The hatching basically is just drawing lines close to each other, while cross hatching, as the name implies, is crossing the hatching, if that makes any sense. Note that you would have to practice these types of shading for a while before you become good in it. With this in mind, all you need to do is just take note of the dark and light areas and just shade accordingly. Don't forget to use your cutting board to blend for a faster and a neater work. For the eyebrows, you just need to draw precise and thick short lines, copying exactly what you see in the reference photo. Don't forget that one of the keys to a perfect drawing is confidence in your skills. For the beards, you will just have to draw short curvy lines. Try to keep things as simple as possible and mimic exactly what you see in the reference. Don't try to freestyle too much or do anything unusual. Just keep things simple and short. The hair looks complex, but really, it is one of the easiest and most fun parts to draw. You can freestyle a little, but don't overdo it. Focus on the light and dark areas and make sure that you capture the contrast. All other parts of this drawing are just a repetition of what I have said earlier. Achieving a perfect drawing needs time and dedication to that particular drawing that you are making. Don't try to rush anything. Stick to the reference photo. Take your time to shade and blend smoothly using your cutting board, and you will achieve the same results just like this. Remember to subscribe to this channel, as I would be uploading more tutorials and also drawing new subscribers. Drop a comment about this drawing and any other question that you have, and I will reply as soon as possible. Have fun making your first perfect drawing.